Every once in a while, we get a gold deal. And, you know, we have maybe one or two a night out of 60 products, so we are very selective with our conversations. Well, tonight, this second year of issue is the cat's meow. Take a peek. That would be the year 1850, everybody. The $1 gold piece was introduced after the gold rush in 1849. It was issued till 1889. It's a little smaller than a dime for reference sake. If you're watching a 70-inch TV right now, it looks like a huge dinner plate. Just referencing, though, again, these are a little bit smaller than a dime. The $1 gold piece is the smallest gold piece made by the U.S. Mint for circulation. All of our coins are Philadelphia struck. This is from year 2, 1850. Now, the obverse is very consistent. The first few years are called the Liberty Series. And the Liberty Series has the same image, Lady Liberty, on the obverse, just like they had on the 2.5s, 5s, 10s, and the $20 gold piece was also introduced in 49, if you recall. And then they transferred over to this Indian Princess in 54, and then transitioned to a different design of that for the rest of the series going up to 1889, the end of the $1 gold piece. So this particular denomination started in the 1800s, ended in the 1800s. Significant note, these are 1850, 5-0. What happened when the Civil War hit us in the early 1860s, right? Copper, silver, gold, you name it, whether it was north, south, everybody needed precious metals for their respective war efforts. And that's why today finding anything pre-Civil War is almost impossible when it comes to U.S. coins, especially in quality condition. Tonight, we have a limited number available of these year 2, 1850. Now our price, that's the other side of this, everybody. Our price, $399.95. $399.95. We're already down to less than 10. Thank you so much. Our competition, we found early 1850s, 52 and 53, for $5.99 and $5.25 respectively. The 1850s rarer, period. And we're selling it for significantly less. $200 on the 52 and $125 on the 53. And again, these are the earlier issues, the 1850s. We're excited to have them available. Again, we talk about gold a couple times a night out of the 60-odd products, and we're very, very selective of the coins we will talk about. Very rarely will you just say, hey, here's a gold piece. We always look for specific coins with specific conditions and specific price points. And tonight we're under 400 on a $1 gold piece from a coin that is, 172 years old today. And it looks that gorgeous today. These are encapsulated. They come in a small presentation box as well. Again, these are the $1 gold piece. It was the first made in 1849, so this is year 2. It went all the way through 1889. Then they discontinued it. Then the 2.5 became the smallest gold coin. We discontinued that in 1928. We discontinued all gold coins in 1934. So these are the era. These are the original eras. Some people call these the obsoletes. Coins that were made during a century and then never brought back. Special. Guys, we got to put a 30-second clock up. We need to be moving on. If you're visiting us via the web on this one, we reference it a couple of times during this show. Please push it through your shopping cart. The inventories are joined, so if you lock it down and they give you an order number from the web, it takes the coin away from the general inventory and the operators can't grab it for somebody they're talking to. Many times, usually every night, we have somebody calling up later in the show after watching a couple of hours and can't get their order to process. That's part of the process because something sells out. This one's that close. Again, not $5.99, not $5.25, a rarer coin, same condition. This is an 1850 for only $399.95 while they last.